Hey everybody, today we're going to be doing this activity right here. It's a cell exploration, and the thing we're going to be using today are microviewers. We've never used these before. They almost look like a microscope, but they're a little bit different. You'll find two of these in each of your trays at your tables, and what we want to do is we want to open that up, and there should be a piece of film in here. The microviewer kind of works like if you ever had one of those things that you put the disc in and you click the thing and you look through it. They're red, probably not. So each of these pieces of film, they have a bunch of different images on them. Basically what you would see if you were looking at them through a microscope. And there's a slot right on the side of the microviewer, and you put it in like so, and you can move this back and forth to look at the different images. The knobs on the side, those are for focusing on the image. And when you look through, there should be a number for each of those images right at the bottom right. The packet will tell you what the numbers correspond to. This one has 8 different things that you can look at. So what I want you to do is I want you to look at, what did I want you to look at? The cheek cell, which is number 4, the blood cell, which is number 5, the nerve cell, which is number 6, and bacteria, which is number 7. Again, you can get information about each one from here as well. So for each one that you look at, tell me, are there cells present? Do you see any cells there? And then in the next column, was it living ever? Did it come from a living thing, or did it come from something that was never living at all? And then lastly, I want you to draw what you see and any observations that you have and any labels that you can add onto it. The last thing that I want you to look at, because there's one more row, is sand. I'll have some sand for you. I want you to make a wet mount slide. You know how to do that. And use the microscopes. And same thing. Are there cells present? Is it something living, or was it ever living? And draw it, label it, make your observations. Bunch of questions on the next page. There's 9 questions on the next page. You'll get through them. Work with people at your table. Talk about those. And then on the last page, we have a CER page. It's from a made-up investigation that you did, and what I want you to do is make a claim based on the information on the page. Give me the evidence. Tell me your reasoning. Remember, your reasoning ties the evidence to your claim. There's also a rubric on the back if you want to check your work there. That's it. I imagine that should probably take you the whole period. If you finish early, feel free to look at some of the fish tank water that is up on my table. I would prefer if you let the teacher squirt it onto your slide for you. Make sure you put your microscopes away properly, low power, turn them off, and no slides on microscopes. Have fun. See you Monday.